So right now it's National Volunteer Week, and at Share Iowa is an initiative of the Community Foundation for Western Iowa. And so for the last 4 or 5 years, we've been kind of honoring volunteerism and really kind of lifting folks up for whatever kind of good they want to do in the community. And then last year, when we really started focusing on this Do Good Week during National Volunteer Week, we thought, what would be a good way to honor volunteers? So we instituted the Do Gooder of the Year award. And last year we awarded it to a group of volunteers at New Visions. Well, this year we had just so many applications. Last year we had maybe 12 or 13 applications. This year we had just a ton of applications. And so it's all about how someone can be honored by the nonprofit that they, or the group, or whatever it is that they volunteer for, or even community members. City, county, government can volunteer, they can nominate someone. And this year we got so many great volunteer appreciation applications, and the winner is Ruth Kreger, and she does, it's called Project Birthday Joy with Share My Smile. Share My Smile is an organization that works with families and young people that are being placed in foster care or live in foster care and supports those families. And so Ruth single-handedly takes care of this entire birthday program, where she makes sure that the child that's celebrating a birthday has like a gift and a cake and cards and stuff like that, and then she hand delivers it to their homes. And even if she's at work or on vacation, she makes sure that the kids get that really beautiful birthday celebration. So we couldn't think of anybody better. I mean, it was just, she checked all the boxes. She's been doing it for many years. She's helped hundreds of children just this year in the foster care system in Southwest Iowa. So we're very grateful for everything that Ruth does, and happy to be able to lift her up in this way. It was just so cool. Honestly, I didn't know that she didn't know until today, when Katrina's like, she doesn't know. Katrina Jabal, that runs the Share Iowa program for us, and she's like, she doesn't know. Don't say anything. I was like, oh my God, you're kidding. She's in there. She's like, yeah, we told her that she's coming for a meeting. I was like, oh, okay, great. And it was just so cool because you could just see it started to register. She's like, what are you doing? Who's here? Oh my gosh, it was just great. I couldn't help but cry. I couldn't help but cry because it's just so beautiful. And it was a great way to honor her and the hard work that she's done for so many years. We're definitely looking forward to maybe expanding it into different areas too, like someone that, maybe is being able to honor someone in the health and human services arena, maybe in the parks arena or something like that, or maybe breaking it up into communities, because we got applications from across the 9 counties. And so it could be the Do-Gooder of the Year award in Malvern and in Stanton and in Woodbine and here in Council-Bluffs. And so that's what I think maybe this could evolve to. But right now we're super excited to just have folks be able to submit those applications during Do Good Week and just keep honoring those folks in that way. Volunteers are so important to nonprofit organizations. As a matter of fact, one volunteer hour equates to about $31, $32 an hour in actual money back to an organization. So some organizations have thousands of volunteers a year, and that's offsetting the cost. They'd actually have to have that be out of, that work that they're doing is out of operational costs. So that value that a volunteer brings back to an organization literally equates to dollars saved. And the dollars that they save then is that much more money back into the community.